So this video covers how to place a chimney on a roof. So different to a chimney that maybe is up the gable with a projecting chimney breast, this is actually going to puncture the roof of the building. So first thing I'm going to do is show the first floor as a trace reference, so as we can see the first floor below, and that's because I want to place this chimney on top of the breast that's on the first floor. If I bring up the trace and reference, we can make the roof transparent, so as we can actually see there's the chimney breast in the bedroom below. And now I'm going to go and pull in the object that will sit up on the roof and represent the chimney itself. So if we go to superstructure and roof covering, there top right is chimney, capping and pot. Parametric object, so we can, for example, switch the pot on or off. We can choose different capping types. We may not want the stack at all. This could be just a capping and pot that sits on top of another chimney. In this case I'm going to go for brick course, and we're going to set it down 150mm from the top and make the brick course 2 bricks, so it'll be 150mm high. So that's the chimney we're wanting. If we knew the overall size of it, we can enter it here, but this one's going to be placed dynamically. So if we just accept the settings for there, I can come down and click. Whoops, I've just placed it by its center point. So if we go back into the 2D view and we just click on one of the corners, we can place it there, drag it out to that corner and then drag it out. Now here I'm just going to go 100mm over the inner skin, so if we rest the cursor there and just go X 100 and then minus, hit the carriage return, then it'll span 100mm over that inner skin where you'd expect it to be. So in 3D there's a cutaway showing where the chimney sits, so floating up in the air at the moment. I could pull it down in 3D, but what I'm actually going to do is use a section here. So we'll cut a temporary section line through the chimney just to make it a little easier to see exactly what we're doing. So we pick up the chimney, and then with the constrained to be vertical, we'll just drag it down into the roof. In fact, I might just pull it down a little bit more than that, just so as it is right in the roof. Okay, let's just delete that section line just to clear up. If I go to the front elevation, let's just pull up that, that's it, north elevation, wait for it to generate for a second. You can see the chimneys there. Now at the bottom of the chimney there should be a line. It doesn't matter so much here on a coloured elevation, but on a line drawing I'd want that line. So a nice way to do that is to use a cutting plane. So if we select the chimney and go solid element operations, it's already found the target element because I had it selected when we opened up the dialog. The operator is the roof, and we do subtraction with a downward extrusion. It's just going to cut off the bottom of that chimney where it hits the roof. So now if we go to that front elevation, wait for it to generate, and we zoom in, you will see there's a line there, and that's because that whole chimney has been cut to the shape of the roof. Right, chimney's a little bit short. Now I can't dynamically stretch it here, so we need to go back to the 3D view. So there's our 3D chimney, and if we just select it, there's our snap points, and we just say drag it up. And you can see it's parametric, so the top of the chimney maintains its form. There we have it. That's our finished chimney.